कि आज हम मिले हैं टू टॉक अबाउट ऑटिज्म, टू टॉक अबाउट अ टफ जर्नी यू बीन थ्रू. व्हाट डू पेरेंट्स डू? क्या करना पड़ता है या क्या करते हैं टू हेल्प अ चाइल्ड विद ऑटिज्म?
धीरे धीरे करके ना कुछ और सिम्टम्स नजर आने लगे हमें विच वर अलार्मिंग फॉर अस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ही वॉज रिसर्च करता था और यही देखता था कि ऐसे बच्चों का फ्यूचर क्या होगा, एंड इट वॉज अ शॉक फॉर अस.
I was a topper, you know.
Yeah, both of you were academically very bright. Yeah.
Then,
We went to a very renowned, I won't name the institute, but institute in Delhi.
Sure.
And there the counselor sat with us and she was telling us that your child has autism. He will never speak. He will never be independent in his life. You better learn the sign language so that you learn to communicate with him.
in fact, he was like a mother to me. Therapists used to work for 1 hour a day, but then rest 22-23 hours, जितने भी टाइम हमारे साथ होता. We was just started enjoying the journey.
That's mind blowing. तो ये तो आपने innovation कर दी. It's almost like an invention. You researched, you experimented, you tried newer ideas.
Yeah, and from that idea, we developed near about 60 odd games for him. And आज की डेट में couple of years back, we are so pleased to announce that we launched an online platform जहाँ पे पूरी दुनिया के बच्चे भी इससे बेनिफिट ले रहे हैं. मैं कभी इसी को धक्का दे दिया, सीट पे नहीं बैठना, थोड़ा भागना, वो धीरे धीरे करके सेटल हुआ.
Every problem that came in our way, we took it as a challenge. Teachers are not educated; they don't know much about it. Just that in our workshop we organized to sensitize the teachers towards, what are the special needs of children. Most of the parents, डर लगता है कि
And that was the impact of that
नीव नाम रखा था हमने उसका वर्कशॉप, पीयर ग्रुप सेंसिटाइजेशन वर्कशॉप जो हमने किया था.
उसके बाद that child was very happy. Just immediately after the workshop, he came up, he hugged us,
Oh,
and 4 other children came up.
wow, beautiful, beautiful. You were not just helping your own child, you were helping many in the society.
To our surprise, he was pretty good.
Really?
23, 22 out of 25.
What?
He scored near about 89% in his 10th class.
I'm sure a lot of parents would be thrilled to hear this.
And I could not stop laughing that day. I mean, there was nothing.
Wow.
Anything but for me, it's like laughter of joy.
Yeah.
Because I was dying to hear that.
How easy is it as a decision to have a second child if your first child is autistic? How did the younger one react to it? अभी तो बहुत छोटा है, 12 साल का है, but does he feel left out or does he एक ऑटिस्टिक बच्चा होने के बाद हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ के रिलेशनशिप में क्या होता है? आपके लास्ट वर्ड्स ऑफ एडवाइस क्या होंगे एक पेरेंट के लिए जिनको भी पता लगा है या जिनके पास एक ऑटिस्टिक बच्चा है? सो ऑटिज्म एक ऐसी चीज है जिससे हमारे इंडिया के पेरेंट्स और दुनिया के पेरेंट्स बहुत स्ट्रगल करते हैं. मैंने इन द रीसेंट पास्ट बहुत सारी मदर्स के साथ पॉडकास्ट किए हैं जिनके बच्चों को ऑटिज्म था और उन्होंने इससे कैसे डील किया. वन ऑफ द थिंग्स आई वाज कंफ्यूज्ड अबाउट इज के आई नेवर मेट अ फादर जिन्होंने अपने बच्चे के ऑटिज्म में बहुत ज़्यादा एंगेजमेंट किया है. बहुत सारों ने किया होगा, आई एम श्योर, बट आई हैव नेवर मेट वन. सो आई वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड व्हेन आई गॉट द अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑफ मीटिंग अ कपल, द मदर एंड फादर ऑफ एन ऑटिस्टिक चाइल्ड. So I'm privileged and thrilled to have in the studio today Rakhi and Bhushan,
Thank you.
जिनका एक 17 साल का बेटा है जो ऑटिस्टिक है, and we have the honor to learn from you about his journey and your journey and how have you done all this, how have you managed his journey, right? So let's start from the beginning. कि कब पता लगा, कैसे पता लगा और उसके बाद आपके इनिशियल रिएक्शंस क्या रहे, आपकी लाइफ में इसके साथ क्या हुआ?
Like any other parent, we were not prepared. So we had a love marriage, and we married early actually.
Yeah, in fact, we were pretty young. We were in class grade 6 when I first saw Rakhi and I fell in love with her.
ग्रेड 6 में शादी नहीं कराई होगी?
No, obviously not. But I thought
You fell in love in grade 6?
Yeah, I fell in love and
Wow.
I literally thought in grade
Did you also fall in love in grade 6?
No, I had no idea.
she hardly knew me. She hardly recognized me.
अच्छा.
So, but I saw her.
आपकी तरफ से you were fully on.
I was fully on, and I thought at grade 6, as a 11-year-old boy, I thought that one day I'm gonna marry her. Literally.
No way. In grade 6 you decided that?
Yes.
Wow. Rakhi ji, I want to see your picture when you were in grade 6.
Sure.
She must have been a really, she still is, but must have been a really good looking
She
girl.
was very cute and she was very intelligent.
अच्छा.
She used to come first, I used to come second.
Oh.
I used to follow her in any case.
तो मोस्टली जो लोग सेकंड आते हैं फर्स्ट वाले से compete करते हैं कि मेरे को इसको हराना है. आपने बोला इसी की जीत में मेरी जीत है.
बिल्कुल. And then things progressed. I mean,
Sure.
that's a different topic altogether. But
Sure. And where were you studying, in Delhi or outside Delhi?
We were in Delhi only.
In Delhi. अच्छा.
And so things happened.
तो सिक्स्थ में ये हुआ. This is interesting. Let's spend 2 minutes on this. So सिक्स्थ में आपको प्यार हुआ, लेकिन उस प्यार का इजहार कब किया आपने? When did you express it?
Oh God, that was कितने साल बाद रखे?
I think we met after 7 years.
Okay.
और
तो मतलब स्कूल तो खत्म हो चुका था.
स्कूल खत्म हो चुका.
आज
तो डोंट टेल मी कि आप सेम कॉलेज में भी चले गए.
So we were together in the same school from 6th to 8th.
Okay.
And we never spoke. मतलब I was like monitor of the class, topper of the class, जैसे होते हैं.
ये तो देखिए भूषण भी he was doing well in class.
Well, but he was very shy.
अच्छा.
very shy.
So he was. I never saw him speaking, or we never spoke actually. तो मुझे ये सब के
You
बारे में
never
बहुत
paid
ज्यादा-
attention.
No, not at all.
और
तो
इतने सारे लड़के आपके लिए लाइन में लगे.
I was more like into studies and all. So वो सब नहीं था, but I was bindas and
Sure.
open and open to speak kind of girl. And he was very shy. Corner में बिल्कुल चुपचाप बैठने वाला बच्चा. चुपचाप बैठने वाले बच्चे के दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है वो किसी को भी नहीं पता.
सब सोच रहे हैं पढ़ रहा है पर वो नजर उसकी कहीं और है.
किधर है वो नहीं मालूम पड़ता. So after that we never met. 8th class. After 8th standard he shifted school.
He shifted school.
हाँ. he
आपको
shifted
छोड़ दिया.
school.
अब पेरेंट्स ने करवा दिया, अब करवा दिया.
अच्छा.
So he could not speak whatever for whatever reason. So I was in the same school and then we never met. We met after I think I was doing my PG. After I did my PG
Oh.
and he was after doing his graduation he was doing the job. So I studied in Amritsar. He was in Ludhiana. पास में.
So this was another amazing factor. I changed my school. She also changed her school after class 10th, I guess.
हाँ.
And again we are in a school where जहाँ बीच में सिर्फ एक दीवार है. ये only for boys school, ये only for girls school. And we never knew for those 2-3 years that they are this close. नहीं
So
पता.
destiny was bringing you together again and again.
Then
But
I got
आपकी shyness was holding you back again and again. Huh?
I never knew that she's there.
Sure, of course.
Then I got an offer to go to Ludhiana for my job. She was in Amritsar. We again did not know that we are again, हम दोनों अभी पंजाब में हैं. इतने डिस्टेंस पे अपने को नहीं पता.
Right.
And one day छुट्टी पे मैं दिल्ली आया था. And I saw her at the bus stop. 703 नंबर बस का बस स्टॉप है वो. तो वहाँ पे मैंने इनको देखा. And I recognized her. I changed a lot. दाढ़ी वाड़ी आ गई थी, मोटा हो गया था थोड़ा सा. I was not that shy at all.
हाँ.
So she was doing a job in trade fair at that point of time.
अच्छा.
Then I approached her, met. वहाँ से फिर हम लोगों ने मिलना जुलना शुरू किया.
अच्छा.
And then finally we got married.
So the love started when you were like 10, 11, 12 years old.
Yeah.
And this is a time when how old were you?
23.
23. I was 23. She was
11,
22.
12 years later. ये तो बिल्कुल बॉलीवुड मूवी है ना?
बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें हैं. वो उसके बारे में फिर कभी तसल्ली से बात करेंगे. It was complete.
So 11, 12 years later, you saw her and you approached her.
Yeah.
Okay. And you remembered कि ये वही लड़की है.
हाँ.
अच्छा.
I used to tell my college friends that there was a girl in class grade 6, 7, राखी नाम था. वो मुझे मिलेगी मैं शादी करूंगा उससे. I used to tell my friends.
And he achieved it. Not just optimistic. He's a doer.
We actually, I started believing in destiny and all after meeting him, because I never knew that we would be.
ये story सुन के तो anybody will believe in destiny.
Even when we never met for 7, 8, 9 years after school, and he used to tell his colleagues and college friends that I'll marry that girl. I'll marry
मेरे
that
स्कूल की
girl.
लड़की.
That I'll have an affair or I'll have something. I'm gonna marry that girl. So मतलब मेरे लिए भी जब मुझे बाद में पता चला, it's very shocking. How can I do that?
मतलब 10, 12 years में you must have seen hundreds if not thousands of girls, and some must be really pretty. But आपका दिल अटका हुआ था राखी के ऊपर. हाँ?
Yes.
Okay. And then at that stage, you guys met
Yeah.
and it worked out.
It took some time. A few occasions we met again and again, and then I met her parents. She met my parents, and then finally the proposal. Interesting part was the proposal came from her father. He approached me. He said, "Will you marry my girl?" I said,
It was actually a conspiracy.
Acha.
So my dad was a very strict father. Very critical. And so I belong to Punjabi family. He's Kshatriya. So वो वैसे भी when he always wanted to talk about कि marriage, there has to be marriage. I said, पापा शादी वादी होगी नहीं. My dad is gonna come after you and he'll kill you. So ये सब के बारे में मत सोचो. And he was like, नहीं चांस तो लेंगे यार. ऐसा नहीं है, चांस तो लेंगे. And I used to tell him stories about my father, कि how strict he is and whatever. तो he was always like कि नहीं यार कुछ करेंगे. So I shared with my sister about that वो भी मिलवा चुकी थी मतलब घर पे. He had met my father unofficially in my sister's wedding. So as my friend he came to support in my sister's wedding. और तो मतलब फैमिली में मिल चुके हैं कि फ्रेंड है उसका फ्रेंड है करके. Gradually I told my sister when she was getting married कि she also got a clue, of course.
Right.
मिल जाता है. I did not say anything, but I just told her. तो ये बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी की पटा लेते हैं. तो सिस्टर को भी पटा लिया. अब सिस्टर तो मतलब my sister was more talking to him.
अच्छा.
तो इन दोनों का जो भी प्लान वैन होता था मुझे लास्ट में पता होता था. So after she got married, she started convincing my father कि next day onwards my dad like a typical dad वो matrimonial खुलना शुरू हो गया मेरी सिस्टर की वेडिंग के नेक्स्ट डे. अब इसका नंबर लगाना है. So he used to believe in मांगलिक.
Okay.
कुंडली वगैरह में बिलीव करते हैं तो स्ट्रांगली मांगलिक है और मांगलिक में बड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है शादी वादी में. तो he started doing his job right from the next day. अब here my sister came in the way और she started proposing कि यार पापा मतलब ये वैसे भी हॉट हेडेड है. इसका तो पता ही है आपको इसका दिमाग कितना खराब है. पंजाबी फैमिली में तो वैसे भी नहीं सूटन करने वाली है. लड़ लुड़ के आ जाएगी. You know how she is. वहाँ से she started building up. और उन्होंने मतलब हमारी कुंडली सब मैच करवा ली. एंड वो डेस्टिनी में भी I would say क्योंकि I'm also strongly Manglik, he also turned out to be strongly Manglik. तो
Okay.
हमारी कुंडलीज were like absolutely matching.
मतलब 36 गुण मिल रहे थे literally.
So my
Wow.
father was like, oh, that's a bonus.
Wow. Excellent.
Marrying a Manglik girl becomes a problem for the parents.
Yes.
Those who believe in kundlis and all.
Yes.
इतना लंबा सर्च ये वो. So पटा लिया मेरे डैड को उन्होंने किसी तरीके से.
और फाइनली शादी हो गई.
शादी
Yes.
हो गई.
कहाँ हुई शादी?
Delhi only.
Delhi only.
दिल्ली में. Lovely. Congratulations.
Thank you.
बहुत साल पहले हुई but still. And it's really nice to see कि आज हम मिले हैं to talk about autism, to talk about a tough journey you've been through, to talk about challenges. And some of the mothers that I've spoken to have talked about how traumatic that journey has been, कितना उनके लिए बुरा रहा है. And I'm sure you've faced your challenges, but it's so nice to see that we are starting off with such a pleasant memory and happiness. And I can see a set of parents who are happy, right? While they're dealing with their challenges, and we will talk about it, but at least your smiles and your happiness is beautiful. Hopefully, will give a lot of hope and positivity to the parents who are watching.
Yeah.
Right? So thank you so much for sharing this insight. 6th grade से जो आपने शुरू किया. So nice. So let's move on to the birth of your son, Sayyam. Right? Sayyam नाम है. Who's autistic. तो कब पता लगा? How did you feel? How did you diagnose? And how did you deal with it?
So Sayyam was born on 12th December 2007.
2007.
Just 2 years after marriage, he was born. And he's such a lovely child. I still remember उस दिन जब उसको हाथ में लिया हमने पहली बारी, उसके बहुत क्यूट डिम्पल्स पड़ते हैं गालों पे, अभी भी पड़ते हैं. Very cute child. इट वाज लाइक अ ड्रीम कम ट्रू। हम लोग प्रिपेयर कर रहे थे इस मोमेंट के लिए कब से, कि जब पैदा होगा देखेंगे लड़का है कि लड़की है, क्या नाम रखेंगे, किसके जैसा दिखेगा। वो सारे सपने लेकर ही केम इनटू आवर आर्म्स एंड ही वाज ग्रोइंग ब्यूटीफुली। मतलब उसके 9 महीने तक की उसकी जो जर्नी थी वो बहुत बढ़िया चल रही थी, सारे माइलस्टोन्स अचीव कर रहा था, एवरीथिंग वाज गोइंग ब्यूटीफुल। व्हेन ही वाज 9-10 months old, ही फेल इल। उसको ब्रोंकाइटिस अटैक पड़ा एकदम। एंड आई वाज इन ऑफिस, हमें पता भी नहीं लगा, मतलब पहली बारी पहला बच्चा है, वो रोए जा रहा है रोए जा रहा है, तो हमें मालूम नहीं चल रहा कि क्या हुआ है उसके साथ। एंड देन राखी कॉल्ड अप दैट ही इज़ नॉट वेल, यू कम बैक फ्रॉम ऑफिस। आई केम एंड जब तक हम लोग उसको हॉस्पिटल लेके गए उसके लिप्स ब्लू हो रहे थे, तो ऑक्सीजन की डिफिशियंसी हो गई थी। एंड देन ही गॉट हॉस्पिटलाइज फॉर अ फ्यू डेज। उस प्रोसेस में वो थोड़ा सुस्त हो गया, स्लो हो गया, वो फिजिकली धीरे धीरे रिकवर करने लगा। एंड आई रिमेंबर हॉस्पिटल से जब हम वापस लौटे थे अचानक से उसको गैस्ट्रोइंटेस्टाइनल इन्फेक्शन हुआ, दैट वाज आल्सो वेरी सीवियर। सो आफ्टर दैट ही सॉर्ट ऑफ रिग्रेस्ड। जो बैबलिंग शुरू हुई थी वो बैबलिंग उसकी चली गई, आई कांटेक्ट उसका कम हो गया, बहुत सुस्त एक जगह बैठा रहता था। सो वी नोटिस दैट समथिंग इज ऑफ। वी थॉट लेकिन कोई नहीं, फिजिकली थोड़ा सा अभी हॉस्पिटल होके आया है, बीमार है, तो थोड़े टाइम में रिकवर कर जाएगा। एंड वी मेट आवर पीडियाट्रिशियन आफ्टर सम टाइम। पीडियाट्रिशियन ऑल्सो सेड कि नहीं कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, अभी आप फर्स्ट टाइम पेरेंट्स हो, आप परेशान हो रहे हो, ऐसा कुछ है नहीं। आई मीन ही सीम्स टू बी ओके, वो रिकवर कर जाएगा धीरे धीरे करके, अभी एक शॉक लगा है उसकी बॉडी को, विल बी फाइन। धीरे धीरे करके ना कुछ और सिम्टम्स नज़र आने लगे हमें, विच वर अलार्मिंग फॉर अस। फॉर एग्जाम्पल ही वॉज नॉट रिस्पॉन्डिंग टू हिज नेम विच ही यूज टू डू अर्लियर। उसको बुलाते थे तो वो पलट के नहीं देख रहा था, नॉट होल्डिंग आई कॉन्टैक्ट। एंड वहाँ पे हम लोग अलार्म होने शुरू हुए थोड़े से। एंड वी थॉट दैट विल गो फॉर सम सॉर्ट ऑफ असेसमेंट, हमें कुछ तो करना चाहिए एज अ पेरेंट, वी कांट जस्ट सिट आइडल। एंड वी हैड फैमिली मेम्बर्स हु वर सेइंग कि तुम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान हो रहे हो यार, तुम क्यों इतना ज़्यादा सोच रहे हो, बच्चे तो देर में बोलते हैं, लड़के तो स्पेशली देर में बोलते हैं 3 साल 4 साल की उम्र में, तुम परेशान मत हो। आर वरी वॉज दैट नॉट ओनली दैट ही वॉज नॉट स्पीकिंग, आर वरी वॉज दैट वो रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं कर रहा है।
राइट
वो सुन सकता है, टीवी चलता है इधर से, वो उसको तुरंत वहाँ जाता है, लेकिन हम उसको नाम से बुला रहे हैं वो नहीं सुनता। दैट वॉज आवर वरी। सो वी गॉट द असेसमेंट डन फाइनली। And when the assessment was done, then the report came. We could not believe it. We never heard the word autism before that. Autism का ये भी नहीं पता था हमें, like many other parents. And it was a shock for us that how can something like this happen to our child? Is our child a special child? क्या exactly है, कुछ नहीं पता था उस बारे में. But it was shocking to see that.
How old was he?
He was 1 year 7 months at that point of time.
Wow. Okay. Okay. So moving on from there, initially what I've heard from people is कि parents are in disbelief कि नहीं हो ही नहीं सकता, किसी ने गलत diagnose कर दिया है and all that kind of stuff. But finally you have to believe what is the truth. And at that stage, different things happen. People react in different ways, right? So what was your reaction? How did you guys take it forward from there?
So I was a typical disbeliever, like you said. ये मेरे बच्चे की रिपोर्ट नहीं है, या तो डॉक्टर का दिमाग खराब है। आई मीन ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है, दिस इज टोटल बुलशिट।
Hmm.
एंड ही वेंट साइलेंट, सो वी बोथ, so I was completely disbelieved, denial, and he went into researching about what is
अच्छा.
autism. And he used to, I remember office से और late आना शुरू कर दिया, because most of the times after office he was doing the research about autism. That time only Google was available, YouTube and all was not
Yeah,
that
yeah.
much. So he was छुट्टी वाले दिन भी, I used to, so there was silence between us actually. We were not talking to each other. We were doing whatever doctor said. जाना शुरू कर दिया, pre-speech therapy and whatever they said. But then uh, there was a silence. He was busy in his own world. He was keeping himself busy researching, which I don't know about, and I was doing my part physically, but I was numb. I was numb. So this continued for about a few months, and सेम की फीचर्स उसके बाद में और ज़्यादा इश्यूज नज़र आने लगे। स्टार्टेड डूइंग टो वॉकिंग, हैंड फ्लैपिंग, यू नो इंस्ट्रक्शन फॉलोइंग नहीं था, तो व्हाटएवर ही वुड सी ही वुड स्टार्ट डूइंग। पूरे घर के शूज सैंडल्स एक लाइन में उठाकर अरेंज करने तक लगता था। एंड देन वन फाइन डे व्हेन आई केम फ्रॉम ऑफिस आई सॉ हिम, यू नो, हमारे इंपॉर्टेंट पेपर्स रखे थे, ही वाज टीयरिंग बिट बाय बिट। तो इतना बड़ा ढेर लग गया था पूरा रूम में, एंड ही वाज सिटिंग इन द मिडल ऑफ दैट बिग हीप ऑफ पेपर एंड स्टिल टीयरिंग अप। मैंने मना किया उसको। आई रिमेंबर आई सेड नो, स्टॉप, बट ही वाज नॉट रेडी टू टेक अप एनी इंस्ट्रक्शन। एंड दैट डे आई जस्ट ब्रोक डाउन। आई कुड नॉट हैंडल दैट, बिकॉज मुझे समझ नहीं आया हाउ टू हैंडल इट, एंड वी वर नॉट स्पीकिंग ऑल्सो, एंड it was too much of emotional burden for me at that day. So I just broke down. And when I started seeing him, he was coming back from office. He saw me sitting there, and
It was shattering. It was shattering to see her like that and see Sayam like that. I have always believed, बचपन से ही मुझे पता था, she is a very strong lady. She is a strong girl. मतलब she doesn't break down very easily. And उस दिन जब मैंने रोते हुए देखा इसको बच्चों की तरह, and I saw Sayam what he is doing, it was shattering for me as well. And it was difficult to take at what's happening with my child, what's happening with my family. It was hard. सो उस मोमेंट पे देन समथिंग हैपन, मतलब इतने टाइम से मैं बात नहीं कर रहा था राखी से, एंड आई वाज इनटू माय रिसर्च एंड आई वाज वरिंग एक्चुअली। रिसर्च करता था तो यही देखता था कि ऐसे बच्चों का फ्यूचर क्या होता है, इंडिपेंडेंट होंगे कभी कि नहीं होंगे। एंड मोर आई रिसर्च मोर आई गॉट अफ्रेड, क्योंकि ऐसी ऐसी चीज़ें इंटरनेट पे नज़र आती थी विच यूज टू गिव मी वरी, एंड जो मुझे लगता था अगर मैं राखी के साथ शेयर करूँगा तो वो बिल्कुल टूट जाएंगे हम दोनों। वो डर अंदर अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गया था। बट ऑन दैट डे व्हेन आई सॉ हर ऑलरेडी ब्रोकन एंड आई सॉ दैट अब इससे ज़्यादा क्या आएगा, and she needs me and we need to be together in this. She can't take it alone. I have to be there. हमारा बच्चा है, हम दोनों ने पैदा किया है, हम दोनों की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है इसको टेक केयर करना। So that moment when I held her hand, I don't know what happened to me, but I started crying like anything. And I remember very few times in my life till that portion, very few times in my life I would have cried. मुझे बचपन से हम लोगों को सोसाइटी में सिखाया जाता है ना, हिंदुस्तान में तो स्पेशली, कि आप क्यों क्या लड़कियों की तरह रो रहे हैं, हाँ, आदमी थोड़ा रोते हैं, यू हैव टू बी स्ट्रांग। तो दैट वाज द मोमेंट व्हेन आई लिटरली held her hand, cried. We both cried for hours, and we shared each other's thought process, world, क्या चल रहा है अंदर, क्या डर है, क्या apprehensions हैं, क्या doubts हैं, everything we talked about it. The moment we talked about it, that was the moment when we could understand, okay, we have a situation here. अभी है तो है, अब क्या कर सकते हैं, या तो इसको हम नकार सकते हैं कि नहीं है कुछ, कब तक डिनाइल में रहेंगे, और वी हैव द अपॉर्चुनिटी कि चलो अब लेट्स एक्सेप्ट दिस, कि हाँ ऑटिज्म है, अब देखना है हमने करना क्या है। इट वॉज लाइक कि मेरे को यहाँ पे चोट लगी है, कट लगा है, और मैं अगर इसको छुपा लेता हूँ तो वर्स ही होगा ना। अगर एक्सेप्ट कर लेता हूँ कि हाँ लगी है तो डॉक्टर के पास भी ले जाऊंगा, बैंडेड भी लगा लेंगे, ठीक हो जाएगा। We thought let's take a chance, let's accept it, and it is there. That was one of the major turning points for us. When we both came together, when our worlds came together, we thought okay, let's do it together. हमारा बच्चा है, हम देख लेंगे क्या करना है।
Beautiful.
So that was very
And he was about a year and
almost 2 years.
almost 2 years.
2 years.
2 years at
Okay.
that point of time.
After 1 year, 7 months, this continued for a few months, the silence and all. And then after 2 years, he turned 2. Then we approximately. So then that was the turning point, I think, in our journey. उससे पहले तो denial, cursing, complaining God, how can this happen to me? मैंने क्या गलत किया, bad karmas, what bad did I do? All of that happened actually. A lot of mental trauma, basically. Torturing ourselves
Yeah.
rather than,
Yeah.
dealing with what's there outside. Your baby is in front of you. There are challenges to deal with. उसकी जगह सब mental, emotional, because I
Yeah.
think that happens with.
I guess internally both of you were going through the same thing. Externally, his way of dealing with it was to do research and find information and figure out what to do.
More fearful That's why doing research, future क्या होगा, and I was like,
And you said you were doing part and puja and
yeah, वो तो पाठ पूजा नहीं कर रही थी, rather मैं
अच्छा
मतलब I was like started cursing God and complaining कि how the hell this happened to me. मतलब what bad karmas, because something like we had never heard of it.
right.
Nobody in my family is like that. मतलब I was a topper.
Yeah,
how
yeah,
can
yeah.
one child be like that?
Yeah, both of you were academically very bright. Yeah.
Then how can this happen to me? So no part puja,
Yeah.
but rather cursing God, complaining to God, and everything possible that
Right.
you can think of.
Right.
All of that happened.
Right.
So all that rage was there. बहुत गुस्सा सा था. Complaints थी, but बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा था मुझे तो. And he was more fearful about future, the kind of future that's there, that होगा क्या मेरे बच्चे का
Yeah,
आगे
yeah.
जाकर. So all of that happened.
Very understandable. And then what happens? Matlab, how did you or how do people deal with it at 2 years, 2.5 years? जब आप accept कर लिया, समझ में आ गया. Then what did you do? उसके बाद कैसे deal किया इस चीज से? I mean, did you guys keep somebody to take care of him? Did you take easier job? How did you manage his journey? School admission?
Yeah.
Schools लेते हैं admission, क्या होता है?
So before that, I would say I would like to share one incident
Sure.
which was again another turning point for us. We were going to अब पता लग गया and we accepted as well. उसके बाद whatever we could do, we were doing. Somebody said meet this doctor, start this medicine. We were doing that, and we met a lot of doctors. हर stream में हर जगह हम संयम को लेके जा रहे थे. And 16 years back, you can understand what 15 years back, what was the situation. Nobody in India hardly knew about autism.
Correct.
And doctors would say that, okay, your child has autism, then you need to be better prepared for certain things. For example, I remember we went to a very renowned, I won't name the institute, but institute in Delhi.
Sure.
And there the counselors sat with us and she was telling us that your child has autism. He will never speak. He will never be independent in his life. You better learn the sign language so that you learn to communicate with him. And then on top of that, they showed us some adults, 18 साल, 20 साल, 22 साल के लोग, जो कि toilet needs के लिए भी trained नहीं थे, who needed support for their daily living things. They said, this is the future that your child may live. Now you need to be strong to take care of that. Now seeing that obviously, and even thinking about that for our own child is, it's a very heartbreaking experience. So again, we remember that we came out crying out of that institution, and these were experts with years of knowledge into the domain and telling us this thing. We had two choices at that moment. This was the second turning point in our life. One choice was to कि हम मान लें जो बोल रहे हैं as an expert, and then जो हम थोड़ा बहुत कर सकते हैं तो करते रहेंगे, बाकी जो होगा बच्चे के साथ होगा. Second was that our child will live the life we decide for our child and not what these guys are saying. We intentionally opted to go for the second choice. And we said अब जो हो जाए, हम लोगों को जो करना पड़े देखेंगे, बट हमारा बच्चा वो जिंदगी जिएगा जो हम चाहेंगे, वो जिंदगी नहीं जिएगा जो कोई और कह रहा है. एंड देन वी टुक ऑन कि अब देखा जाएगा, फाइनेंशियली भी देखा जाएगा, थेरेपीज करानी है वो देखा जाएगा, क्या कराना है हमको नहीं पता, लेकिन हमारा बच्चा इंडिपेंडेंट होगा पूरी तरीके से, ना सिर्फ अपनी.
Nobody else can tell us the kind of life my child is gonna live. We will decide the kind of life our child is gonna live.
Wow.
That's it.
And trust us, after that moment till today, एक बार भी, एक सेकंड के लिए भी, एक आयोटा ऑफ डाउट हम लोगों ने अपने माइंड में नहीं आने दिया that our child will not live an independent life. We believed it and then we worked towards it.
Beautiful. Wow, amazing. You're inspirational people. So nice to hear this. Wow. Okay. So he's now 17.
Yeah.
So पिछले almost 14-15 साल से आप you've been in this mind कि इसको independent बनाना है.
We were clear he's gonna be, मतलब we were very clear that he is going to live an independent life. अब उसके लिए हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? What are the gaps? We started working on that. That was clear for us. There was no doubt कि वो करेगा या नहीं, होगा या नहीं, हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा. All of that never came. Just उसको mainstream school में जाना है. Now he doesn't speak right now. So this was 3 years. He was 3 almost when this episode happened, that he's not speaking at all and we need to learn sign language. All of that happened. So we thought abhi jo bhi karna hai karenge. So we were very open. We didn't know where to go, what to do. Nobody was there to mentor us, to guide us. But we started talking about it, because more you talk about it, then only there will be ways that will open up for you. So occupational therapies and all were going on definitely. जैसे वो तो चल ही रहा था, but we started doing more of it. We started learning from what the therapist is doing with my child. Now we were just not dependent on somebody else to make our child independent, or making some corrections in our child. That's not that we were up to. We were actually started understanding कि क्यों करवा रहे हैं. Therapies जो हो रही है, ये क्यों हो रही है, इसका क्या पर्पस है, what is the need of the child. Then we started understanding from the therapist, ऐसे sensory integration होता है, बच्चे की sensory needs होती है, cognition not happening. So all of that, whatever we are doing is to increase the cognition of the child. All of that. So we started exploring a lot of things. घर पर भी हम लोग, we started sharing the responsibilities after that. So of course it was not easy, but then we both started. मैं off लेती थी बीच में therapist पे ले जाने के लिए संयम को. He started from 6 days a week to he shifted to 3 days a week. First, पहले half days लेना शुरू किया. He told his boss कि मुझे अपने बेटे को ले जाना होता. So thrice a week he used to take half day. Then he started taking 5 days half day. He came to total half day job. And so all of that happened. So we shared the financial responsibilities. We started sharing the responsibilities at home, because मैं ऑफिस में फुल टाइम वर्किंग थी, तो मैं ऑफिस से लेट आती थी. सो ही यूज्ड टू टेक केयर ऑफ संयम. ही समटाइम्स ही यूज्ड टू कुक, एंड देन व्हेन आई एम एट होम, in fact he was like a mother to Sayam, I would say.
So nice.
Blessed.
So beautiful.
He used to take care of Sayam. He used to understand. He was very connected to children. I was right from the beginning not at all, I didn't know. मुझे एक छोटे से बच्चे को पकड़ना भी नहीं आता था. So he was always, he wanted to have, हम लोग के हमारी क्रिकेट टीम बनाएंगे.
So sweet.
So he was so attached to children right from the beginning, that मुझे बहुत सारे बच्चे होने चाहिए and all of that. I love children. But जब when your baby is in your arms, I think your baby tells you कि what to do. तो मुझे तो आई रिमेम्बर मुझे पकड़ना भी नहीं आता था उसको, तो भी हम लोग एक्सपेरिमेंट करते थे, ऐसे पकड़ते हैं, ऐसे पकड़ते हैं, all of that. Then he took care of him like a mom, and we both shared the responsibilities, both at home, for finances, for work, for working with Sayam. So हम लोग छोटी छोटी घर की चीज़ों में भी ना ढूंढ लेते थे एक्टिविटीज. वो सब जो एक्टिविटीज करा रहे थे थेरेपिस्ट, ऑल ऑफ दैट हैपेंड. बट देन हम घर में भी, इट वाज नॉट लाइक छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में, कॉग्निशन, स्पीच, उसके लिए हम घर पे काम कर रहे होते थे. सो थेरेपिस्ट यूज्ड टू वर्क फॉर 1 hour a day, बट देन रेस्ट 22-23 hours, जितने भी टाइम हमारे साथ होता था, वी वाज जस्ट स्टार्टेड एंजॉयिंग द जर्नी. छोटी छोटी चीज़ें, नॉट लाइक ये करना है, बट वी स्टार्टेड एंजॉयिंग कि हमें सीखना है उसको सिखाने के लिए.
एंड दिस वाज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल थिंग दैट वी रिमेंबर इन आवर जर्नीज, कि अभी भी अगर हम पीछे मुड़ के देखते हैं ना, संयम के साथ जो हम टाइम स्पेंड करते थे, चाहे वो थेरेपीज में हो, चाहे घर पे उसके साथ मस्ती कर रहे हैं, हमने हमेशा, अभी भी हमारे चेहरे पे स्माइल आती है संयम का वो चेहरा देख के और उसके वो एफर्ट्स देख के. हम लोग जो भी कर रहे थे, इट वाज एन एंजॉयबल एक्सपीरियंस फॉर अस. इट वाज अ जर्नी. We were always hopeful, positive, because we have already painted a picture that our son is going to be independent, and we know that he is on that path. We enjoyed that journey. Struggle tha. Sometimes he would not do things, but still all the memories that we have is that we were having fun.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
It was not an easy, every day you will not get results, of course. आप कुछ सिखाने की कोशिश कर रहे हो
Right.
कि बेटा ये पानी है, बोलो पानी. We will not speak. But then, being together, I think संयम के साथ सबसे ज्यादा जो उसने हमें सिखाया वो संयम.
Patience.
Patience.
Wow.
Do your best efforts. अपने काम कर रहे हैं, सब कुछ कर रहे हैं, but then he used to remind us of what is missing where we are. Was a lot of patience. तो अपना काम करते रहे, and then but then वो प्यार नहीं छोड़ा हमने, I think, because
So many times you said therapies, work at home. हमने कुछ habits बनाई. We enjoyed the things that we were doing. Give me an example. What do parents do? क्या करना पड़ता है या क्या करते हैं to help a child with autism? घर पे या बाहर में What are those exact things?
तो for example, संयम ना तो instruction follow करता था.
अच्छा.
Right? So he was not looking at neither eye contact nor instruction following, not
Instruction
responding.
like जैसे क्या बोला आपने?
Come here, sit here. A simple instruction. 2 साल का बच्चा
तो
बहुत
उसका
शांत है.
रिएक्शन ही नहीं है उस चीज के ऊपर.
नहीं,
No reaction at all.
no reaction at all. He's busy with his own. बेटा come here. अच्छा, give me this phone or whatever object is there. Give me this. He will do his own stuff, whatever he wants.
वो बिजी है.
हाँ, वो
वो
अपने
रिएक्ट नहीं कर रहा.
हाँ,
Okay.
completely अपने world में है, अपनी चीजों में busy है. So even making an eye contact. तो initially बहुत effort लगता था कि look into my eyes. Then we started कि इसको game की तरह भी कर सकते हैं. We started making games like peekaboo. I remember, peekaboo.
उसको ऐसे गोद में अपने लिटाते थे और ऐसे बस अपने चेहरे पे ऐसे हाथ रखा, यू संयम, and then he would look at you and he would smile for a moment, then he would drift away, then you would do it again, or you will tickle him. उसको टिकल करते थे तो उसको मजा आता था. समटाइम्स ही यूज्ड टू गिव अस आई कांटेक्ट. बहुत छोटी छोटी सी चीज़ें हम लोगों ने इन्वेंट करनी शुरू करी कि अच्छा इससे रिजल्ट मिल रहा है. अच्छा तो देन वी यूज्ड टू टेल द थेरेपिस्ट कि हमने ना ऐसे किया, इससे रिजल्ट मिला, आप ट्राई करके देखो एक बार. एंड देन वी यूज्ड टू ब्रेनस्टॉर्म के और क्या कर सकते हैं, डेवलप न्यू स्ट्रैटेजीज टू वर्क विद हिम. So these are the things.
Got it.
Just
आकर ये करो, सॉर्टिंग मैचिंग जैसे थेरेपिस्ट कराते हैं, वो हमने कोशिश की बट वो भाग जाता था. He never used to sit at one place. Sitting in one place was the biggest challenge. Then we found out that he likes a lot of playful things. He likes जैसे peekaboo खेल रहे हैं तो मजा आ रहा है उसको, तो जिस चीज में उसको मजा आ रहा है उसमें आई कांटेक्ट भी दे रहे हैं. तो we need to go at his level to make him understand things rather than pushing him to our level. इधर बैठो, इधर देखो, ये करो, वो करो, all of that. Rather than that, he started went down to his level, started enjoying the world playfully. तो वहाँ फिर छोटी छोटी चीजों में जिस चीजों से उसको फिक्सेशन था, रादर की टॉय ट्रेन, आई रिमेम्बर ब्लॉक से ट्रेन बनाता था और उसी से खेलता रहता था. So rather than doing something else, we both started playing with those toys with him. Okay. And then it was train में, okay, give me that red block, give me that green block. Not like teaching him something, what is red color, green color, but using जिस चीज में उसको मजा आ रहा है उन्हीं चीजों को यूज करके उसको एक गेम बना दिया. Then he started picking up fast. Also, we were open to explore a lot of new things.
Yeah.
जब एज भूषण ऑल्सो मेंशन्ड कि वो हमारी आवाज सुनकर नहीं आता था, संयम बोल नहीं होता था, बट देन टीवी की आवाज होती थी तो दूसरे रूम से भी आ जाता.
अच्छा.
तो नेम रिस्पॉन्स वाज द बिगेस्ट चैलेंज, इंस्ट्रक्शन फॉलोइंग एंड द नेम रिस्पॉन्स, क्योंकि आप कुछ और कैसे सिखाओगे जब तक बच्चा आपको अटेंशन ही नहीं पे कर रहा है. देन ही बीइंग एन ई लर्निंग एक्सपर्ट, देन ही इन्वेंटेड द आइडिया कि ओके लेट्स, उस टाइम पर हमारे पास मोबाइल फोन्स भी नहीं होते थे रिकॉर्डिंग वाले, तो हम लोग अब पेन ड्राइव मतलब अपना वीडियो रिकॉर्ड किया डिजिटल कैमरा में ना, राइट, और उसका पेन ड्राइव फिर टीवी में प्ले किया, संयम कम हियर, एंड उसको सुनकर
वो पलटा, मतलब सीधे पलटा उसको, टीवी पे देखा उसने हमें. We thought, wow, wonderful. We came to know that he is an audiovisual learner. And when we researched about it, we found out that most of the children on autism spectrum, they are beautiful audiovisual learners. From there came the idea. तो हमने धीरे धीरे करके ऐसे घर के और फैमिली मेम्बर्स के भी वीडियोस बनाए, टीवी पे प्ले करते थे. एंड दैट इज हाउ ही अंडरस्टूड कि ये मेरी मम्मा है, ये मेरे पापा हैं, ये दादी है, ये भाई, ये ताऊ जी हैं, सब इस तरीके से समझा वो.
That is mind blowing. मतलब ये तो आपने इनोवेशन कर दी एकदम. It's almost like an invention, right?
Sort of.
So as I understand, what you did is कि आपने जो आपको therapist ने बोला, डॉक्टर ने बोला, वो तो आपने किया, but you did not limit yourself to that.
Exactly.
You researched, you experimented, you tried newer ideas, and understanding कि बच्चे को क्या चाहिए, he's reacting to the TV, what you wanted to say with your mouth and were not getting the reaction, you put that on TV. And you got the reaction.
Yeah, and from that idea, we developed near about 60 odd games for him, जिससे कि हम उसको कलर रिकॉग्निशन, फैमिली मेम्बर्स का रिकॉग्निशन, उनकी आवाज़ को सुन के उनके चेहरों को पहचानना, एनिमल्स के बारे में बहुत सारी चीज़ें, मतलब 60-70 गेम्स हमने बनाए उसके लिए, एक्सप्रेशंस और इमोशंस को समझना. That was a big challenge, big challenge.
Because I remember there were days जब हम लोग actually disappoint होते थे, रोते थे. मतलब एक दिन के बाद ये जर्नी ऐसे खत्म नहीं हो जाती. There are ups and downs.
Yeah,
you
yeah,
know, there are roller coasters that you face each day.
Right.
And I remember जब हम लोग बिल्कुल रो रहे होते थे, Saim used to come laughing and he would laugh and jump on us, jump on our head. He would not understand what's happening. And that used to be very painful. You know, because that empathy, compassion, वो छोटे से बच्चे को भी समझ में आता है. You know.
Yeah.
And that was missing where our child was. So that was very painful. So we started teaching him कि, you know, emotions, expressions. This is the biggest need of the child. So academics came, वो side by side चलता रहेगा, but this is the need of the child. This is what we need, where you know
Absolutely.
we want to develop our child.
Absolutely.
तो उसके लिए भी audio visual games prepare किए, ताकि वो basic emotions, expressions ऊपर वाला जब देगा वो अपने आप जो आएगा. But then we need to teach कि basic situations में कैसे happy means what, sad means what, in what situation you become happy, in what situations you become sad, what is crying, all of that.
तो इन सब चीजों के लिए आपने गेम्स बनाई.
We
You
created
gamified it.
interactive games, yeah.
Interactive games. और उसमें उसको इंटरेस्ट आता था. अगर हम बैठाकर कुछ कराना चाहते थे, obviously he would run away, but then he used to take interest in that. And then वहाँ पर जो डॉक्टर्स ABA हमने सीखा कि ABA थेरेपी होती है, you know, where positive reinforcement होता है, negative reinforcement होता है. There in those games we started using positive reinforcement, you know, कि आप, you know, there was a smiley button that we created in the games itself, which used to navigate अगर बच्चा distract हो रहा है, नहीं करने का मन कर रहा है, तो that button use that smiley को press करेंगे तो it will navigate you to different games.
या कुछ बच्चे की पसंद का म्यूजिक, उसके पसंद की कोई भी चीज़. तो नाउ अब संयम क्या करता था, वो वेट करता था. जब वो बोर हो रहा होता था या उसको नहीं पढ़ना होता था और आगे या कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं सीखना होता था, वी यूज्ड टू जस्ट पॉइंट आउट टुवर्ड्स दैट स्माइली एंड वी विल से ओके संयम पहले ये फिनिश करेंगे, देन यू विल गेट टू प्ले दैट. And then he would sit, he would complete that, and then as a reward, we used to give that to him.
Right. Wow, that's unbelievable stuff. So one, I mean, इतनी सारी information है कि मेरे पास बहुत सारे questions आ रहे हैं, and maybe I'll need to do another podcast with you. But for now, one thing you said was कि emotional reaction was not there. You know, if you are crying and he comes, it doesn't really. You don't see compassion, empathy, and all that. Is that normal? Is that for most kids with autism, या हर बच्चे के साथ बड़ा अलग-अलग होता है?
To a major degree, yes, it is a common factor.
अच्छा.
Because autism में social communication barrier होता है.
अच्छा.
They don't understand,
That is quite
autistic children do not understand the body language, social cues that easily.
So that must be quite a hit to the parent, right? कि आप
It is.
you are going through a low and your child is laughing there, and so at least initially you are, it must be quite a thing. And the way to teach this was through the audiovisual material that you created. Now, ये जो audiovisual आपने material create किया, is that available in the market from other companies or from people? Do all parents have access to it? Why did you need to create it? Was it not existing, or because you are an e-learning expert, you decided अब मैं खुद ही बनाऊंगा बच्चों के लिए, अपने बच्चे के लिए, या तो उसकी क्या स्पेस है, बाकी पेरेंट्स को अवेलेबल है बहुत सारा मटेरियल या आपका मटेरियल?
So at that point of time, there was a dearth of it.
Okay.
Why? Because K-12 industry में audiovisual learning तो चल रही थी, but that was keeping in mind neurotypical children, neurotypical mindset. बट न्यूरो डाइवर्स बच्चों की नीड्स अलग है ना, उनको तो सब कुछ समझाना
उनके लिए नहीं था।
सब कुछ समझाना पड़ रहा है। इमोशंस और एक्सप्रेशंस हमारे बच्चे जो न्यूरोटिपिकल बच्चे हैं, नॉर्मल बच्चे, वो तो अपने आप सीख जाते हैं ना, हमें नहीं सीखने की जरूरत पड़ी, बट हमारे बच्चे को थी जरूरत। सो दैट्स व्हाई वी टुक ऑन कि और कहीं नहीं है, ठीक है हम बनाएंगे। एंड आज की डेट में कपल ऑफ इयर्स बैक वी आर सो प्लीज टू अनाउंस दैट वी लॉन्च्ड एन ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म जहाँ पे पूरी दुनिया के बच्चे अभी इससे बेनिफिट ले रहे हैं।
वाओ।
So it's by the name of Learning to Life, where this platform is available, and there are all the audiovisual courses that we created for Sayam. And after that, then we developed the R&D team, and then usko grow kiya. Now the complete preschool portion is there, and we are developing it further now.
So for people to other parents जिनके पास बच्चे हैं with autism, for them to get access to this, they need to go on learningtolife.com, or
Yes, yes.
how do they get access?
Learning to Life 2 is numeric. Learning to Life, you can display it on the screen if you wish to.
Yeah.
So learningtolife.com,
Achha.
and we have plans to develop it as a comprehensive platform, not just limiting to the audiovisual, because that was one of the things that helped Sayam. Apart from that, there were a lot of things. Parents, as parents, we need to manage a lot. We need to shift our mindset. We needed support. There are other therapies that really help. There are alternative medicines that helped.
अच्छा।
So बहुत सी चीजें, and we are trying to bring everything under one umbrella by the name of Sayam for Autism only.
Oh wow.
Where and our dream is that a parent who's dealing with the child's autism, he has a place which feels like home, जहाँ पे सारी चीजें जो बच्चे को हेल्प कर सकती हैं वो अवेलेबल हो। And our another dream for us is that Sayam, taking care of Sayam for Autism 2-3 years down the line.
Wow. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. So encouraging. So I want to come back to this
Sure.
e-learning platform, but for now only. So how long has this platform been there? कितने साल हो गए इसको अभी?
Development 12 years, online 3 years.
अच्छा, 3 साल से ऑनलाइन
साल।
है, and a lot of people are using it now.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now moving forward from the past, so फिर schooling वगैरह कैसी हुई? Admissions आराम से मिल जाती हैं schools में?
Oh, that was a very big challenge.
अच्छा।
So Sayam was 3 जब बाकी बच्चों के एडमिशन हो रहे थे रेगुलर स्कूल में, उससे पहले वो प्लेवे में ही पास में प्लेवे में जाता था, बट वी न्यू वी ऑलवेज नेवर हिड इट फ्रॉम एनीवन, सो वी टोल्ड द टीचर्स आल्सो देयर दैट दिस इज द कंडीशन. तो एक वन थिंग दैट वाज रियली, आई थिंक दैट रियली वर्क विद अस वाज वी नेवर हाइड इट फ्रॉम एनीवन. वी रादर यूज्ड टू एजुकेट द टीचर्स, बिकॉज टीचर्स को भी ये वर्ड नहीं पता था और
Naturally,
क्या है कुछ मालूम नहीं होता था. So we used to tell the teachers, okay, give us your feedback, how is he doing. So we were regularly in communication with the playway teacher कि वो he's constantly moving, not sitting. तो जो gaps थे, ताकि our only intention was to identify the gaps so that we can work on it. At 3 years, we wanted our child, just like any other parent, to go to a regular school. But we knew that Sayam was not prepared. He was not sitting. He was not speaking for his needs. So it was, we knew that it's gonna be a challenge. And we actually got him admitted to an inclusive setup at that time. So there, because their teachers are trained, they knew 50% are neurotypical children there, 50% are children with some of the other condition, So there the teachers were sensitive. They knew the teacher-student ratio was very less, 2 teachers in 20, for 20 children in one classroom. So they knew. वहाँ पर Sayam में बहुत changes आए, started sitting, and we were also exploring a lot of other things, because that was the turning point 3 years plus में. We started exploring diet changes with him, because we were learning in the process of Sayam growing. Actually, not only Sayam was growing, but we were learning a lot of things. So not only limiting ourselves to therapies and then audiovisual learning, we started exploring कि he is a music lover. जब वो बोल भी नहीं पाता था तो वो राइम हमिंग करता था. जो भी हम गाना सुनाते थे, लोरी सुनाते थे भूषण, उसकी हमिंग करता था, वो बोल नहीं पाता था. वी स्टार्टेड नोटिसिंग कि म्यूजिक वे ओरिएंटेशन है, तो हम म्यूजिक म्यूजिक प्ले करके उसको सुनाते थे, सूद करने के लिए म्यूजिक होता था. देन वी स्टार्टेड मीटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, नोइंग कि हाउ डाइट कैन हेल्प आवर चाइल्ड. सो दैट स्टार्टेड वर्किंग. And then we started exploring alternative medicine. कि कुछ भी मतलब कुछ भी जो भी करना पड़े, वी वर वेरी ओपन टू एक्सप्लोर एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग. सम थिंग्स वर वर्किंग, सम थिंग्स वर, मेनी थिंग्स वर नॉट वर्किंग ऑफ
Sure.
कोर्स. बट वो काम चल रहा था. प्लस इंक्लूसिव सेटअप में ही गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ सपोर्ट, बिकॉज वहां पर ये कंप्लेनिंग नहीं होता कि ये क्यों कर रहा है बच्चा, ऐसा क्यों कर रहा है, बिकॉज दे नो दैट चाइल्ड हैज सर्टेन इशू एंड देन दे सपोर्ट द चाइल्ड एंड देन दे टेल यू एज वेल एज पेरेंट्स की यू नो ये कर रहा है और ये नहीं कर पा रहा. बट ही वॉज डूइंग, फॉर्चुनेटली ही वॉज डूइंग वेरी गुड, बिकॉज हमने उसको इतना सारा कुछ ऑलरेडी इन्फॉर्मेशन जो दे दिया था 3 साल से पहले, थ्रू ऑडियो विजुअल, थ्रू वॉट एवर वर्क वी वर डूइंग. He was absorbing all of that. It was just that he was not able to comprehend it. He was not able to. We were not knowing that he knows it. तो वो वहाँ धीरे धीरे he started developing, he started growing. 4 years 3 months में he started speaking. So writing पहले शुरू कर दिया था उसने, बोलना बाद में शुरू किया. So we started knowing कि अरे इसको, he used to point, अगर मैम पूछती where is where is the train, he would point, he would start in, and then ma'am was like, we were amazed to see his work there, his response there. And then finally, when he turned 4, he started speaking. 4 year 3 months. We started filling forms for a regular setup. And दुनिया उतनी अच्छी नहीं होती है हमेशा जितना आप सोचते हैं. तो वहाँ पर it was very shocking, of course, and हमने at least 17-18 schools में फॉर्म भरा. And some
In Delhi?
In Delhi.
Delhi itself. And Delhi and NCRs also. We were ready to open कि कुछ भी कहीं भी जहाँ हमारे बच्चे को अच्छा environment मिले, जहाँ support.
And we mentioned it openly on the admission form that child is being diagnosed with mild to moderate autism. See if you can take care of our child. And 18-19 में से 18 schools ने outrightly reject किया. कुछ ने ये बोला कि हमारे पास तो form खत्म हो गए. मतलब counter से I remember. On the counter I am there, they said, they read, okay, autism. नहीं, हमारे पास forms खत्म हो गए. Somebody said, we don't have facilities to take care of your child. तो आप देख लो, आपने admission कराना है तो. We obviously said no. Somebody said, हमारे admissions खत्म हो गए. It was heartbreaking, obviously. Then finally we found one school which was sensitive enough and which said, okay, ठीक है, we will meet the child first. And after meeting the child with the child psychologist, जो भी उन्होंने assess किया, उन्होंने बोला ठीक है, हम 1 महीने के लिए बच्चे को ट्राई करते हैं. अगर 1 महीने के अंदर he adapted and anybody else did not have a problem with it, then we will continue with it. And then finally 1 महीने के अंदर थोड़ा बहुत struggle, he had hitting behavior at that point of time. स्कूल में कभी किसी को धक्का दे दिया, सीट पे नहीं बैठना, थोड़ा भागना, वो धीरे धीरे करके सेटल हुआ. And finally after 1 month his schooling journey continued from there.
And he continued with the same school?
Yes, till now. Yes.
Wow.
And it was what really worked in his schooling journey, if I would mention that is the partnership that we created with the teacher. Normal mindset क्या होता है कि there is always a tug of war between the teacher and the parent. Teacher बोलता है बच्चा ये नहीं कर रहा क्लास में, because acceptance नहीं है, तो पेरेंट बोलेंगे नहीं हमारा बच्चा तो बिल्कुल ठीक है, वो घर पे तो सब कुछ करता है, यहाँ पे नहीं कर रहा, आप क्यों नहीं करवा रहे. It was never the case with us. We stood on teacher's side. We saw the things from her perspective, made her see the things from our perspective, collaborated, created partnership. That really worked. And we are still so grateful to all the teachers जिन्होंने संयम को नर्सरी से लेकर अब तक पढ़ाया, and we still have wonderful relationship with them. We go to school, we meet them. Such a wonderful experience and partnership between all the teachers, principal. So that.
So tell me, is this a school which is doing this for a lot of people? Like, is autistic kids a normal thing for them to take? Yeah, Sayam has been an exception for them. Yeah.
I don't think it was a normal thing before that.
अच्छा.
Because तभी वो trial के लिए हमें बोला. Had it been a normal thing, तो have accepted it. So हमें first, I think they were also trying it for the first time. And we knew that that was the time that we understood that a lot of people doesn't talk about it, doesn't know about it. Or society needs to know about it. So while working and the next target, so every problem that came in our way, we took it as a challenge. कि अब ये next करना है. This is our next target. This is our next challenge to achieve. So after emotions expression, then speech, and then sitting behavior, the hitting behavior, all of that. Next thing was कि how to prepare the society and the environment to accept,
Right.
our children and such children. So first thing started with Sayam only. So we knew that teachers are not educated, they don't know much about autism. We started training the teachers, we started talking about what is autism, what happens to a child, you know have you need to have a lot of compassion. uh, why hitting behavior may happen. आप teacher were also then supportively understanding कि किसी compassionate बच्चे के साथ उसको बिठा सकते हैं. They also started suggesting that every child is not that.
Yeah.
Then we started PHR. One is sensitization of teachers. We started conducting workshop in Sayam school itself. So one was to Sanchetna workshop we organized to sensitize the teachers towards what are the special needs of children, autism, ADHD, what kind of children can be there. And to our surprise, in the workshop itself, teachers started raising their hands and sharing. मेरी क्लास में तो ऐसे 4-5 बच्चे हैं.
Oh.
They never knew about it. Only when we talked about कि this could be the symptoms, this is what the child goes through, then teachers started showing up. There is a
Sure.
there is a gap. We have such children, but they don't know that. Their parents don't accept it. The next challenge was parents don't accept it. So we started conducting workshop with the parents to educate them. Rather than denial. Denial is not the solution. It's
Yeah.
not doing anything good to your child.
Yeah.
Most of the parents को डर लगता है कि लेबल ना हो जाए मेरा बच्चा. That's the biggest.
I'm assuming initially the denial is also real. You just don't
It
want
is,
to
it is,
accept
it is.
it because
Right. Initially.
why should I accept it? मेरे साथ तो हो ही नहीं सकता है.
Absolutely. But then बाद में, because we also went through the same, we understood. But then बाद में, even after diagnosis हो गया, सब कुछ हो गया, लेकिन एक डर होता है पेरेंट्स के मन में, मेरे बच्चे को लेबल हो जाएगा मेरा बच्चा. My child will be labeled as this. My child will be treated differently. तो वहां से लगा यार, this society is right now not prepared to accept such children.
Yeah.
We need to do something to make this society,
inclusive in real sense.
absolutely inclusive. Like उनकी गलती भी नहीं है एक तरीके से, क्योंकि if I'm in India, I'm British, so that's very normal for people. मैं normal to be born British, and that's okay. But had I been absolutely fair, absolutely white, I would have been treated very differently. So yeah, absolutely black also will be treated very differently.
Sure.
Because our society, our culture is not prepared. तो वहां से हमने we thought of कि not just our child, but a lot of other children needs it. A lot of parents need to know. The society needs to know. I remember we conducted a workshop peer, just first class में था संयम, उसकी क्लास में हमने peer group sensitization workshop किया, so that the children are sensitive. The peer group first class में they are sensitive towards each other. Without कि अगर बच्चा कोई एक वीक है किसी भी तरीके से, अगर वीक है, स्लो लर्नर है, या बोल नहीं पा रहा ठीक से, या फिजिकली कुछ भी चैलेंज है, तो other children are coming up. The empathy, that kind of empathy is developed in children at this age, 5 years, 6 years. We started sensitizing the peer groups. So the
just
teachers-
one month down the line, 1 महीने का workshop था वो. 1 महीने के बाद, in his classroom, Sayam had 2 friends in his life, and many other children who had 0 friend, 1 friend in his classroom, all of them had friends, all of them.
And that was the impact of that peer.
That the नींव नाम रखा था हमने उसका workshop का, peer group sensitization workshop जो हमने किया उधर.
So
Then we
it really
replicated
helped everybody.
it. It did.
I remember there was another child, physically थोड़ा सा weak था, उसको problem थी, तो हम अब sensitize करना is like that spark of empathy, inculcating the spark of empathy in children. तो उससे पहले बच्चों को बुली करना तो बहुत आराम से सीख लेते हैं बच्चे आजकल, टीवी,
Yeah.
कार्टून,
हाँ.
बुली करना तो हमें सिखाना नहीं पड़ता है, बट एम्पैथी इनकलकेट करना पड़ता है. उसके बाद that child was very happy. Just immediately after the workshop, he came up, he hugged us,
Oh.
and 4 other children came up, said, "We are your friends." He started, he had that
So sweet.
that I have people in my life. So
So
nobody, the idea was nobody is left behind. People are understanding there could be something, some challenge, some weakness, and we need to help people. So the idea of helping, caring, sharing, and empathy. So we started conducting such workshops.
Wow,
So
beautiful,
till these,
beautiful.
you know,
You were not just helping your own child, you were helping many in the society.
we started, yeah, we
You're a very inspirational couple, huh? Very nice, very nice. So tell me, what about the academic side? Was he able to write exams? What curriculum is this? You know, how does teacher class में trigonometry पढ़ा रही है या history पढ़ा रही है, जो कुछ भी पढ़ा रही है, तो ये संयम क्या कर रहा है वहाँ पे?
तो
How does he deal with it?
तो इनिशियली तो हमने उसको इतना कुछ इनिशियली तो बिगिनिंग में इतना कुछ सिखाया था कि when it was time for him to express, he started expressing beautifully. So teacher also said कि he is doing good, he is doing good. Now when exam time आया, उनके स्कूल में नर्सरी से ही एग्जाम्स शुरू हो जाते हैं, तो they gave us an option कि आप इसका हम एग्जाम अलग ले सकते हैं. It will be a simpler paper and with a longer duration, and you can also go for the disability certificate, and then he can have exceptions throughout his studies. But for us, हमने तो सोचा था कि मतलब इंडिपेंडेंट बनाना है और he will live a life, normal life. तो
We never made his life easy.
we never made his life
We-
easy.
we-
Neither उसकी ना
ना
हमारी.
हमारे ना उसके लिए ना हमारे लिए. We didn't want that. We want him to grow muscles. We want him to fly. We didn't want him to restrict himself. So we tested him. We said, no ma'am, हम ना disability certificate के लिए जा रहे हैं, ना कोई exception ले रहे हैं. Let's see how he does. If
Wow.
required, we may go for it. But let's see. Let him try. He tried. थोड़ी बार मुश्किल लगी उसको, थोड़ी बार उसने अच्छे से किया. But slowly and gradually we saw the potential in him that he can do it. And he did that.
जब हम चीजें सिंपल कर देते हैं तो फिर वो हमारा न्यू नॉर्मल हो जाता है. अब उसके लिए कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं दिया हमने, उसको इजी किया ही नहीं लाइफ. So this was not because we wanted to torture, we just wanted to test him.
Yeah.
कैसा कर रहा है, and then let's see अगर वो करता है तो. To our surprise, he was doing pretty good.
Really?
23, 22 out of 25.
What?
He
Seriously,
used to
wow.
score like that. And जो एक दो रह जाता था उस पर भी हम लोग काम करते थे कि एक दो नहीं रहना चाहिए नेक्स्ट टाइम से. Not just we wanted to make him academically like this, but then कोई गैप नहीं रहना
He was slow in his handwriting at one point of time. Then we worked with him on increasing the handwriting speed.
Wow.
धीरे धीरे करके challenges. Today, the same child, he's going to be 17. He has just completed class 10th from CBSE board, regular CBSE board.
Wow.
He scored near about 89% in his 10th class.
Wow.
Best score is 91%.
Wow.
Yeah. And he's learning tabla since last 9 years now. He is performing on stage at different occasions.
Yeah. No, I think this is a huge thing, and I didn't know. So it's so. मतलब आपके साथ every 10 minutes I'm getting more inspired. But genuinely, I'm saying that him doing so well in academics, I'm sure a lot of parents would be thrilled to hear this. I mean, forget doing well, कि मेरा बच्चा पढ़ पाएगा. You know, he will be able to go into school, and I'm sure it was very difficult, and you guys had to be very involved, and like you said, his life was difficult, so was yours. But the fact is कि ultimately उसका outcome तो निकल सकता है. अगर आप जी जान लगा देंगे तो you will get some benefit out of it. So
That's what we say.
if he's done 89% in 10th and best of 4, 91%, so that means he will manage 12th also. He will manage 11th and 12th also. Maybe 95, maybe 85, maybe 75, but
Marks was never मतलब
correct.
हमारे लिए ये नहीं था कि तुमको इतना स्कोर करना है ना. हमने उसको we never pushed him, you need to score this. We never pushed him for this. वो हमारे लिए होता था चैलेंज. It was not for Sayam. वो हमारे लिए था कि what is the gap that he's facing? What is the challenge? Like maths became a challenge for him. 7th तक तो ठीक था वो. But then 8th onwards है ना, जैसे difficult होता जाता है concepts, algebra, all of that. तो he used to get confused with numbers. He used to, मैं उसको पढ़ाती थी and I could see the gap कि,
Sure.
वहाँ पर
Sure.
maths में he's just उसका headache शुरू हो जाता था. Maths में I can't handle it. I used to leave it. Okay, leave it, relax. जितना होगा उतना करो. But The idea was to find out कि कहाँ पर challenge है, कहाँ पर gap है, and just to fill that gap. Prepare ourselves to fill that gap, and then prepare Sayam to develop his muscle more and more. 10th तक तो of course, he did not opt for basic maths. कि फ्रेंड्स सब स्टैंडर्ड मैथ्स ले रहे हैं, तो मुझे वी हैड दैट ऑप्शन 10th में, अब होता है बेसिक मैथ्स ले सकते हो अगर आपको आगे परसू नहीं करना है तो, अदरवाइज आप स्टैंडर्ड मैथ्स में ये करो. तो आई न्यू कि उसको मैथ्स में चैलेंज आ रहा है, फिर मतलब कर लेता था 80% प्लस ले लेता था, बट आई न्यू दैट ही इज गोना फेस चैलेंज. तो बेसिक और स्टैंडर्ड का जब ऑप्शन था, आई सेड व्हाट यू वांट. वी एनकरेज हिम टू टेक हिज ओन डिसीजंस, क्योंकि अब वो मैच्योर हो गया, तो अब तुम बताओ क्या करना चाहते हैं. सेड स्टैंडर्ड मैथ्स ले रहे हैं मम्मी सारे फ्रेंड्स, तो मैं भी स्टैंडर्ड में ही जाऊंगा. आई सेड डू आर यू श्योर यू वांट टू गो फॉर इट, आगे तूने मैथ्स कंटिन्यू करना है? नहीं, बट देखते हैं, बट आई वांट टू डू इट. वो जो हमने इनकलकेट किया था कि
Try करना,
थोड़ा सा
it's fine.
चैलेंज रखो ताकि यू कैन डेवलप योर मसल. आई थिंक दैट वाज समथिंग दैट वाज वर्किंग विद हिम. तो स्टैंडर्ड मैथ्स के साथ ही किया उसने 10th भी. ऑल्दो ही चोज के अब 11th में मेरा सर दर्द हो जाता है मैथ्स में, ही रियलाइज्ड व्हाइल राइटिंग बोर्ड्स आल्सो, प्री बोर्ड्स आल्सो. आई सेड ठीक है, योर चॉइस, नहीं करना कंटिन्यू मैथ्स तो दैट्स परफेक्टली ओके. इट्स नॉट.
So what subjects has he taken in 11th?
So he's opted for commerce without maths.
Okay.
So eco, accounts, BST.
Yeah, but it's still got accounts and economics and
Yeah, he's
Yeah.
enjoying.
Oh.
He chose all of that.
Acha.
He said I can go for science also, but I don't want maths. But I would. Then we gave him options. PCB करना है या commerce.
So tell me, stupid question, but so for a student like him or a child like him to get that 89% in 10th with 91% in best of 4, which I will never forget, how much did he have to study? मतलब वो exam से पहले या throughout the year वो रोज was he studying for an hour? Was he studying for 2 hours? कितना पढ़ना पड़ रहा था उसको?
I think Sam is a very hardworking child.
That's one thing we really learn and appreciate from Sayam, about Sayam, and we learn from him is that he's very, very hardworking. बहुत मेहनत करता है. And we have always taught him to, जैसे राखी ने बोला कि scores were never, marks were never an agenda. It still doesn't matter. But we have taught him to give his 100%. तो अपना 100% दे,
Do your best. That's it.
अपना बेस्ट कर, देख कितना आएगा. ठीक है, तो वो अपना बेस्ट देने के लिए जितना पढ़ना पड़ता है, एग्जाम से पहले अगर 6 घंटे पढ़ना है
शायद ज्यादा
तो वो
मेहनत
करेगा.
करनी पड़ती है, because he would
But approximately.
मेमोरी आई थिंक, क्योंकि कुछ चीजें कुछ
See, a lot of parents and a lot of students and a lot of human beings, adults also say, I work very hard. In my mind, the question always is, how hard is hard? What is it? What does good look like? So, in his case, कितना पढ़ रहा था वो approximately?
So I would say, जैसे प्री बोर्ड जाते थे तो he would wake up at 5 and 5 o'clock in the morning to approximately 10 to 12 hours per day.
He was studying outside of school.
Outside of school. We never pushed him. मतलब
How do you study for 10 hours, 12 hours a day outside of school?
मतलब प्री बोर्ड्स
सुबह भी पढ़ रहा है,
छुट्टियां होती थी.
फिर वापस आके भी पढ़ रहा है.
में जैसे you're not
अच्छा,
going to
अच्छा,
school,
अच्छा,
then
okay.
break for preparation and all. So वो अपने आप, I told him how to manage him because he was very disorganized. वहाँ पर gap study से ज़्यादा मुझे लगा, while he was studying, we were always like, what is the gap in he being, in he performing well, not in the studies, but as a human being. I saw he's not organized well. कभी अभी SST कर रहा है, फिर थोड़ी देर बाद इंग्लिश शुरू हो जाएगा, फिर मैथ्स का उसको फोबिया रहता था तो बहुत सारा टाइम मैथ्स में लगाता था. We started teaching him how to organize himself. How much time do you think is required to complete one chapter? Then prepare. How much do you want to study? So I told him, नहीं इतना 12 घंटे नहीं पढ़ना है. Study for 1.5 hours, take a half hour break, or maximum 2 hours, take a half hour break. आज सिर्फ एक सब्जेक्ट पर फोकस करेंगे. Next 3 days prepare for one subject. So something like planning yourself, organizing yourself well, and then keeping yourself cool. Because I used to see कि जब वो anxious हो जाता था मैथ्स में तो used to mess up and you will be very irritated and angry. So just calming him down, बीच में you need to relax, you need to rest, watch TV, go out, play. So जब वो इतना पढ़ रहा था तो क्यों पढ़ना पड़ रहा है? So all of that, the gaps was that he was not organized well. So वो सब किया तो उसके बाद he was cool. उसके बाद वो final exams में इतना pressure वैशर नहीं लिया. उसके बाद में I think he was pretty normal and except maths of course. But then thankfully, thanks to
So the same kid who was not even reacting to his name, जिसको उसको बताने के लिए कि उसके मदर और फादर कौन है, आपने डिजिटल कंटेंट बनाया जो उसको टीवी पे दिखाया सो ही कैन फाइंड आउट उसके मदर एंड फादर कौन है, वो आज की डेट में 10 घंटे 12 घंटे पढ़ लेता है बिफोर एग्जाम्स.
पढ़ा है. अब बदमाशी ज्यादा हो गई है.
अभी तो he is more on Instagram, chatting with friends. He is more on Instagram, social media.
We had that dream actually, you know, जब कोविड के बाद स्कूल गया 9th स्टैंडर्ड में, तो काफी गैप के बाद स्कूल गया. एंड यू नो जब उसके कजन्स वगैरह अपने 9th 10th में वो एज होती है जब अपने आप फ्रेंड्स के साथ घूमने उमने चले जाते हो और दैट. सो वो हमारे लिए ना बड़ा वो हमारे लिए गैप था दैट ही यूज्ड टू बी कि आज कोई स्कूल में आएगा, सब फ्रेंड्स गए हैं, यू नो. एंड वी कुड सी दैट देयर इज अ गैप कि वर्चुअल फ्रेंड्स तो मिलते हैं बट देन अब सोशली उसके अब ही इज ऑफ दैट एज 14-15 इयर्स दैट ही वांट्स टू गो आउट एंजॉय विद फ्रेंड्स बट उसके फ्रेंड्स नहीं हैं. सो 9 इयर्स 10 इयर्स तो 9th क्लास में अभी सॉरी. तो यू नो उस टाइम पे टीचर एक महीना क्योंकि टीचर्स चेंज होते हैं, वी ऑल्सो वेंट फॉर द पीटीएम. तो वहां पर टीचर ने बोला ये बच्चा ना कम बोलता है, बहुत कम बोलता है. हम ये बात तो टीचर को पता हो नहीं पता हो बिकॉज हम इनिशियली एक महीना नहीं बताते थे कि वांटेड कि टीचर का फीडबैक लेंगे उसके बाद बताएंगे. वी डिडंट वांट टू फीड द टीचर इनिशियली. तो उन्होंने बोला कम बोलता है. देन वी शेयर्ड विद हर यो कि ऐसा ऐसा सीन है. देन शी सेड कि आई नेवर थॉट दैट वे बिकॉज अदरवाइज ही इज वेरी गुड, इट्स जस्ट दैट ही स्पीक्स लेस. तो वहां पर भी हमने कि ओके ठीक है आई विल टेक केयर ऑफ दैट, टीचर से. फिर उसको बच्चों के साथ बिठाया जो थोड़ा ज्यादा बोलते हैं, थोड़ा ज्यादा पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं. टू आवर सरप्राइज 10th क्लास में फर्स्ट पीटीएम में हम लोग गए. आई वेंट देयर, भूषण वाज दैट डे बिजी. तो सेम टीचर सेड ये लड़का इतना क्यों बोलता है.
ये चुप ही नहीं होता क्लास में.
आई वाज लाइक कि किसकी बात कर रही है संयम. आज संयम की देख तो इधर नहीं बट किसकी. आई थॉट पीछे कोई बैठा है, इधर कोई बैठा है. कहते पता नहीं मम्मी. इसे शी सेड संयम मैं आप ही की बात कर रही हूँ. एंड आई कुड नॉट स्टॉप लाफिंग दैट डे. आई दैट वाज लाफ. Teacher was complaining but for me it was laughter of joy.
Yeah.
Because I was dying to hear that.
Wow.
We both were dying to hear that कि वो दिन कब आएगा.
Wow. Wow.
और अब we wanted to spoil him a bit कि normal life बच्चों की तरह, you know, like a teenager, he should go out, he should enjoy with friends, he should have his own social life.
Yeah.
हाँ वो हो रहा है.
अच्छा, now it is happening.
पढ़ने का 10-12 घंटे नहीं होता है. He is enjoying after 10th, so you know, I think he's more on Instagram.
Right. Right.
Enjoying going out with friends for movies, for exploring escape rooms, whatever.
Acha. And he's going with his friends.
Yeah, with his friends.
You guys are not there, just him and his friends are there, and
He shops with us with our credit card, but he goes with friends.
right, right. Amazing, amazing.
He wanted to become independent, living his own life. So I was really happy. We both were happy that day, you know, when he went out with his friends and completely, you know, the first time that he went out.
It was a
Whatever he was doing, we were not there. Nobody is now taking care of him. He is enjoying his own life. Just come back safely. By what time you will be there, that's it.
He takes his younger brother in metro, and both of the children they go to school together. So earlier they used to go in a van, but then Sayam said, "Okay, van पे छोटे बच्चे जाते हैं, मुझे नहीं जाना." And he said, "I'll go by metro." And he said, we were a little skeptical, अकेला जाएगा कैसे? Then he said, "Okay, ठीक है." And now he takes his younger brother also.
So Sayam is 17 and the younger one is
12.
12. So 5 साल का difference है. So how is it to work with two kids where one is autistic, the other is normal?
I think for a parents it's never easy to actually bring up any child for that matter. Because लगता है कि child, the universe has given you a responsibility, a new human being to bring up in this world and then allow that human being to grow. in its own unique ways. And parenting is about providing that safe and secure environment where the child can grow emotionally, physically, mentally, in its own beautiful ways. Like a plant grows and you just take care of the plant, you
Yeah.
know, giving sunlight, giving water on time,
Yeah.
giving proper environment for the plant to grow beautifully.
Yeah.
अब वो रोज है तो वो रोज की तरह बनेगा, और कोई और प्लांट है तो वो और प्लांट की तरह बनेगा. So for a parent it's never easy. And neurotypical हो या neurodiverse हो, one thing a parent needs is lot of love and compassion, because especially when your child is neurodiverse. Because for a neurotypical, आप उसको हक करोगे वो वापस हक करेगा, आप उसको किस करोगे वो किस करेगा, you know you will give him love, the other would understand and reciprocate. But for a neurodiverse child, they may understand your love, your empathy, your compassion, but may not reciprocate the same way. So it takes lot of sensitivity for being a parent of a neurodiverse child. Lot of sensitivity, lot of empathy, and lots of unconditional love without expectation of reciprocation. That will come later or whenever time is destined. But
Yeah.
then
Yeah.
without that, it becomes very difficult. So need to be, of course, strong, but at the same time, allow yourself to be vulnerable. Because we believe जब पेरेंट्स सिर्फ स्ट्रांग हो जाते हैं ना तो वो बहुत ड्राई हो जाते हैं, अंदर से एक ड्राइनेस रह जाती है. बट व्हेन यू अलाउ योरसेल्फ टू बी वल्नरेबल, व्हेन यू कैन शेयर योर वीकनेस, where you can cry about whatever is there with you, uh, I think that strength then comes from within. You don't have to cover up, you don't have to pose like a strong person. You become strong naturally.
Yeah.
Because you accept your humanity, your vulnerability, and your weaknesses as well. So
I know
think
being
we are not the same human being.
we are not.
We are not the same human being that we were earlier. Parenting two beautiful children that God has given us, it's a big responsibility, but then I think it shaped us as a very different human being.
And being vulnerable, when if I talk about it from the perspective of being a man with all the male ego, then I realized this thing very early, and thanks to Raki for that, because I have always seen her as a pillar of strength in my life. Very, very strong headed and very positive female she is. And मैंने एक चीज़ सीखी है राखी से, वो ये कि रोने के लिए या अपने आप को कमज़ोर दिखाना हर किसी के बस की बात नहीं होती. For a man, it took a lot of courage for me to tell her that I am afraid. It's a very it was difficult initially, but at the same time when I did that, there was a lot of freedom. I learned it the hard way that छुपाने में ना बहुत एनर्जी लगती है. अगर मैं स्ट्रॉन्ग पोज करता रहूँगा ऊपर से नहीं सब ठीक है, आई टेक केयर ऑफ एवरीथिंग, यू डोंट वरी एंड वी विल डू आवर पार्ट, तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें मैं बता नहीं रहा हूँ, मैं छुपा रहा हूँ उसमें, एंड बहुत एनर्जी लगती है उसके अंदर. वेयरएज जब सब कुछ ट्रांसपेरेंट है, सामने है, देयर इज नथिंग बिटवीन मी एंड हर, थिंग्स बिकम वेरी ईजी एंड बहुत तो वहाँ पे ट्रू पार्टनरशिप डेवलप होती है. So this is something that really worked. Leaving that male ego aside, being vulnerable, sharing whatever is there. रोना है तो रो लो, चिल्लाना है तो चिल्ला लो, बात कर लो, लेकिन जो है उसको डील कर लो. ये चीज़ बहुत मैटर करते हैं.
Beautiful.
We learn from each other as well. A lot of things actually. Unconditional love, patience. Like class 6 से इतने साल इंतजार किया. So he had a lot of patience, I think, and a lot of unconditional love without any expectations कि मैं कभी मिलूंगी तो हाँ भी बोलूंगी कि नहीं. I had no idea. So I think that was already there with him. I learned from him. I was the very impatient person. मतलब मुझे तो अभी I'm very fast to do this, and then you have maths जैसे करते हैं. I was very good at maths. तो आपने प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किया तो रिजल्ट आना चाहिए ना. It has to be 2 + 2 has to be 4. And he's like, he's artistic person. Said it can be 4, it can be 8, it can be 9, whatever way you want to design. He had
Yeah,
different
yeah.
maths.
Yeah.
But then I learned a lot from him, and such a blessing, blessing to be a parent of both neurodiverse and a neurotypical child,
Wow.
because we learn a lot from both. They have different perspectives, they have different things.
Yeah,
They have some
yeah.
things in common. दोनों ही बदमाश हैं. But then there are different perspectives
That's
of
so
looking
nice,
at the
yeah.
same thing.
But do you think the younger one suffers because of that? Because the older one he needs more attention, he needs more time. How did the younger one react to it? अभी तो बहुत छोटा है, 12 साल का है, but does he feel left out or does he?
So he may look like somebody in a smaller body, but he is not young at all. He has a mindset of a fully grown adult, maybe more than that.
Okay.
He's 12 years old. He has already authored 3 books. And without my help, without anybody's help, he'll go online, artwork create करना है, AI use करना है, whatever he does on his own. I asked him कि ले लो feedback, ले ले भाई, मैं कुछ बता देता हूँ. Said, नहीं, फिर मेरा original क्या रह जाएगा?
He doesn't
He doesn't take help that way. He's very sensitive and very understanding and very loving.
Beautiful.
And I think that was the part of parenting, some part of it, because he knew it. We never hid it from him also, as he was. So we took care of, as the younger one came in our lives. I remember I could not sleep for 1 week after Ansh was born. The younger one was born. Did not sleep at all for 1 week, because I was always cautious कि Sayam should not feel left out, and I have to take care of the younger one as well. He may wake up any time, and while he's sleeping, I would spend time with Sayam. And then once he is wake up, I have to take care of him, because he was just born. He was totally dependent on me. So I did not sleep for 1 week completely. I remember till Bhushan told me, don't worry, we'll both will take care. I don't have to stress, just relax for some time. Prepared Sayam that he's if somebody else is coming in the family, he will have a sibling. So preparing Sayam right from when we were expecting our second child. So preparing Sayam for complete 7-8 months for that. And then Ansh, as he grew up, so taking care of both. So there also the partnership was there. कि Ansh को भी time देना है, Sayam को भी time देना है. Nobody should feel left out. Nobody should feel left alone anywhere. So there also, I think.
How easy is it as a decision to have a second child if your first child is autistic? How does society, family, relatives react? I mean,
more than society, family, relative, it is our own fear that comes in the way. It was a very, very hard decision. It was a very difficult decision for us, because कहीं ना कहीं बहुत ज़्यादा डर था अंदर कि पहले बच्चे के साथ ऑलरेडी ऑटिज्म का कंडीशन है, सेकंड चाइल्ड हम करते हैं. वी हैव हर्ड ऑफ मेनी केसेस जहाँ पे दोनों बच्चे ऑटिस्टिक हैं, 3 बच्चे ऑटिस्टिक हैं.
अच्छा.
सो बहुत मुश्किल डिसीजन था, बट देयर वाज वन थिंग दैट वाज ड्राइविंग अस, एंड दैट वाज कि there was one fundamental question at that point of time. It was there in our mind that what will happen to Sayam after us once we're not going to be there for him throughout the life. क्या होगा? We needed somebody who is there with whom he can share, he can create a bond, somebody whom he can call his own, and who's there for lifetime with him.
And who understands
him. There's companionship, sense of companionship was missing. So after a lot of thoughts, discussions, arguments, and we finally came to a conclusion, okay, let's believe on God, let's take this call, let's do it. And then we had our second baby in our life, Ansh. To be honest, अंश जब पैदा हुआ था ना, और उसके तकरीबन 8-10 महीने साल भर तक मेरे अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा डर था, बिकॉज संयम 9 महीने की उम्र तक ही वॉज एब्सोल्युटली फाइन, स्टोन सारे सही थे, अचानक से ही रिग्रेस्ड. तो मैं, एंड बीइंग समबडी हु लव्स चिल्ड्रन, जिसको बच्चे पकड़ना ऐसे पसंद है, मैं पड़ोसियों के बच्चों को जाके ऐसे खिला लेता था, लेकिन अपने खुद के बच्चे के साथ मैं कनेक्ट नहीं कर पा रहा था. मेरे अंदर बहुत डर था अंश को लेके कि कहीं ऐसा ना हो जाए 9-10 महीने के बाद फिर ही रिग्रेस कर जाए, कंडीशन ना आ जाए. It took something to leave that fear apart. And again, I saw that it just took one conversation with a group of friends, and I just openly, I was hiding this fear in my heart. I was not telling it to her. I was not telling it to anybody else. I was just hiding it. The moment I decided I'll not hide it anymore, I just shared it with my friends. 4 लोग खड़े थे एक जगह पे, तो उनके साथ बस मैंने कहा यार मेरे अंदर ना बड़ा एक डर है कि यार पहले बच्चे के साथ था, हमने कर तो लिया, दूसरा बच्चा आ गया दुनिया में, लेकिन कहीं ये दोबारा रिपीट ना हो जाए. एंड यू वोंट बिलीव, आफ्टर दैट मोमेंट मैंने बोल दिया, वो खत्म हो गया डर. I could go home, I could hug him, I could be one with him, I could love him without thinking about anything, any negative thoughts. So ये एक बहुत बड़ा लेसन मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी में सीखा है. जितना छुपाओगे उतनी दिक्कत होती है, छुपाने में बड़ी मेहनत लगती है. The more you are open and transparent, things get taken care of.
Beautiful. Wow. You know, एक क्वेश्चन था मेरे पास जिसका आपने आंसर थ्रू आउट अपनी कॉन्वर्सेशन दे दिया है कि एक ऑटिस्टिक बच्चा होने के बाद हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ के रिलेशनशिप में क्या होता है. एंड द लर्निंग आई हैव हैड फ्रॉम यू इज आपका रिलेशनशिप शायद शुरू से इतना यूनिक था कि बिकॉज ऑफ दैट योर ऑटिस्टिक चाइल्ड ऑल्सो वेंट थ्रू अ बेटर जर्नी, बिकॉज आप लोग इतने ज़्यादा कनेक्टेड थे that you could together do it. I mean, you're saying that he's almost like a mother to him. Him saying that मैंने male ego को खत्म कर दिया. These are very unique things. You know, after all the people that I've met in my life, male ego एक इतनी बड़ी चीज़ है कि उसको खत्म करना तो impossible है. मैं आपको I can tell you. I mean, he's a role model father. And at the same time, for a woman to be so open and honest about what she's gone through is also very unique. So you are a very unique couple and a very unique parent. Sayyam is lucky to have you and you are lucky to have him.
Yes.
Of course we are.
There is no doubt about it. So that question you've already answered. My last question to you is कि I'm 100% sure कि बहुत ज़्यादा parents इसको देखेंगे और इससे सीखने की कोशिश करेंगे. तो आपके लास्ट वर्ड्स ऑफ एडवाइस क्या होंगे एक पेरेंट के लिए जिनको भी पता लगा है या जिनके पास एक ऑटिस्टिक बच्चा है? मतलब मेरे को तो बहुत सारी लर्निंग्स मिल गई हैं, बट फॉर द ऑडियंस इफ यू वांट टू शेयर एनी advice, words of advice, because you almost seem like gurus to me for a child with autism. So what would be your advice?
Would you want to?
And you can think about it. There is no rush.
No.
So my first advice to all the parents who have got the diagnosis is, number one is never hide it. We still meet a lot of parents inside India, outside India, where, you know, मेरे बच्चे को लेबल कर देंगे, मेरे बच्चे को टैबू कर देंगे, एंड टू सम एक्सटेंट दे आर नॉट रॉन्ग बिकॉज सोसाइटी टेक्स इट, अरे ये तो बड़ा अलग बच्चा है. रादर जॉइन हैंड्स टू क्रिएट अ सोसाइटी वेयर पीपल आर ओपन एंड एक्सेप्टिंग फॉर आवर चिल्ड्रन. वो जिम्मेदारी भी तो हमारी है. कंप्लेन करना कि यहाँ पे नहीं है, ये ठीक नहीं है, वो ठीक नहीं है, यू नो, बट वो सोसाइटी वो बनाना, वो कल्चर बनाना जहाँ पे एम्पैथी हो, जहाँ पे यू नो हेल्पिंग, केयरिंग, शेयरिंग हो, अपने बच्चे में इनकलकेट करना, वो भी तो हमारी ही जिम्मेदारी है. So even if you are a parent of a neurotypical child or a neurodiverse, doesn't matter. Because who knows, जब तक हमारे साथ नहीं हुआ था, हमारे लिए भी तो नॉर्मल ही थी ना दुनिया.
Right.
But who knows what's coming next.
Yeah.
So creating, and that's not for autistic children only, but that's for everybody, every human being. Because right now हमारे social media पे friends बहुत सारे होते हैं, millions में, thousands में हम बात करते हैं, but कितने ही लोग हैं जिनके साथ हम actually में बैठकर अपने दिल की बात करते हैं.
Right.
I think that number is reducing day by day. So inculcating that sense of, you know, helping, caring, sharing, empathy, where we have like people in our lives who are with whom you can share what you're going through. So that's something that's very important for any parent.
2 more things that I would like to add. One is, and this will be a message especially to the fathers, that it is not solely a mother's responsibility to take care of the child.
Beautiful.
We both are responsible for bringing the child into this world. So it is our responsibility, a collective responsibility to take care of the child, take care of each other. So don't leave anybody alone. Don't leave your spouse alone to do this, to take care of this. It's hard. And when you are together, when we both work together, then it makes a difference.
पार्टनरशिप
It's a partnership.
तो जर्नी शायद छोटी नहीं हो जाएगी मगर शायद आसान हो जाएगी if you have a partner along with you in this journey. So it doesn't become short, but it becomes simple, it becomes beautiful. And another most important thing is have fun with your child, love your child, have बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स थेरेपीज में ये सब ठीक करने में लगे रहते हैं, करेक्ट करने में लगे रहते हैं अपने बच्चे को, ये ठीक करना है वो ठीक करना है, एंड that's all fine because gaps
Yeah.
but then before doing that, before correction, actually build up the connection.
Well said.
That's most important.
Before correction, build up the connection.
Exactly. क्योंकि वो बच्चे के लिए भी है कि ये करो वो करो, lot of things, but then once you build up that connection, like a human being to human being connection, I think things become simpler. Because आपका बच्चा हो सकता है बोलता नहीं है, समझा नहीं पाता है, and he has different but he still communicates even when he's not speaking. तो वो आप तभी समझ सकते हैं when you have connection with your child.
There was a point of time हमारे साथ जब when we were completely into जुनून था, मतलब कि बच्चे को हमने इंडिपेंडेंट करना है, जो करना पड़े करेंगे. दिन में 3 थेरेपीज, हफ्ते में 7 थेरेपीज के लिए उसको लेके जा रहे थे. And in all that process, somewhere we forgot that he is human. He's not a machine. We are human, we are not machines. And thankfully we participated in one of the seminar where there was an exercise. In that exercise, when I closed my eyes and saw what am I doing, what are my fears, I saw that biggest fear in my life right now at that point of time was that what will happen to Sayam after me, after us, how will he live a life which is independent. Deep down ये डर था, बहुत ज़्यादा था. और and I saw that इस डर की वजह से हम लोग संयम को कितना परेशान कर रहे हैं. Just because उसको तो पता भी नहीं है, the little guy is enjoying his life. And but हम लोग उसको चल बेटा तू अभी इस थेरेपी के लिए चल, अभी दूसरी थेरेपी के लिए चल, वहाँ से आई है चल तीसरी थेरेपी के लिए चल. And we have made his life hell and ours as well. So from that moment, I remember the next day morning, there's a tree outside our lane, and then Sayam was there, I was there. I just hugged him. And I can't express that feeling in words, but there was something that got connected here. Something. कितना भी कोशिश कर लूँ शब्दों में नहीं बता पाऊंगा. But there was something that got connected here. And I just said, sorry Sayam yaar, now I'll not bother you that much. I didn't know whether he understands what I'm saying or not. But he got that hug. उसको ये समझ में आ गया मेरा पापा वापस आ गया. मुझे ये समझ में आ गया कि मेरा बेटा वापस आ गया. एंड फ्रॉम दैट मोमेंट हमने थेरेपीज रिड्यूस करी, खुद सीखा, घर पे खुद उसके साथ मस्ती करी, उसके साथ अनकंडीशनल लव वाला टाइम स्पेंड किया. मतलब लेजर टाइम, कुछ नहीं सिखाना, कुछ नहीं फिक्स करना. मतलब आधा घंटा ये ऐसा है जिसमें जो मर्जी करेंगे हम, तेरे को कोई फिक्स नहीं करना हमने. सो व्हेन वी स्टॉप्ड फिक्सिंग हिम, करेक्टिंग हिम, द वर्ड दैट राखी सेड, building connection rather than correction, that was a big turning point in Sayam's journey towards independence. The moment he got that I am accepted the way I am, the way I am not, मेरे पापा मम्मी है मेरे पास, the moment we got he is there with us, जैसा है वैसा है हमारा बच्चा, हम पूरे efforts करेंगे, but there is no expectation. We started spending leisure time, completely leisure time with him. मस्ती कर रहे हैं उसके साथ, उसको मॉल लेके जा रहे हैं, मेट्रो स्टेशन लेके जा रहे हैं, कहीं भी कुछ भी कर रहे हैं. बट दैट नीड ऑफ फिक्सिंग वाज नॉट देयर. ही शोड अप ब्यूटिफुली आफ्टर दैट, लिटरली शोड अप ब्यूटिफुली. सो दिस मैसेज विल बी रियली हेल्पफुल फॉर ऑल द पेरेंट्स कि वो जो अनकंडीशनल लव बीच में खो जाता है ना इतनी सारी भागदौड़ में, उसको मत खोने दो. बिकॉज इट इज मैजिकल. It's something which is magical, and it has the capability of creating wonders.
Build the connection before the correction.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Amazing. Both of you are so inspirational people. I can just sit here and hear you and listen to you. There's so much learning. I'm being honest. I'm not saying this for the podcast. I'm genuinely saying this. And I must say, you made a very good choice in 6th grade. And you made a very good decision when you were 21 or 23 or however old. Though if you guys had married somebody else, दो और घर बड़े अच्छे बने होते, but it's great that you guys came together. It's very, very nice. Very nice to
Then,
meet you both. And
thank you very much. And we actually learned from each other a lot. That's what we call, I think, destiny. मैंने इसीलिए बोला कि पता नहीं वो दो घर अच्छे बने होते कि नहीं, because we grew, like it's almost been
True.
19 years of that we are married, and then we know each other from before that. But then we learned and we grew, not only in the journey of parenting, but then from as a human being. We learned a lot, and we're still learning from each other. We try to learn a lot of things from wherever possible, but then there are a lot of things that, because we are very different individuals, so sometimes I learn a lot of things from him, and he learns, maybe if he sees that if there is anything that he can learn
Why
from
would you
me,
say
that's-
that?
but then I think God chose us for this purpose.
yeah.
Sayam gave us the purpose of our life, probably.
Yeah. That's the other beautiful thing, that people with autism, kids with autism, parents are always, or many parents, not everybody, but many parents are so unhappy, and they're saying zindagi mein problem aa gayi and all that. There are very few like you who are saying the Sayyam is such a gift to me, and it's the best thing that could have happened to me.
Both Sayam and I for that.
Yeah, of course.
And the context shifted when we took it this way, कि शायद हमारे कंधे मजबूत हैं, इसलिए ऊपर वाले ने हमें ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दी है, तो and we need to live up to that.
Mhm.
The moment we made up that as context of our life, all that cribbing, complaining, why this happened to me, that happened to us also. But then
Yeah.
once the perspective shift happens now, a lot of things alters. I remember, उसके बाद से जब डाउट होता था, फियर होता था, गैप होता था, ये बच्चा करेगा या नहीं, लॉट ऑफ पेरेंट्स when they ask us कि मेरा बच्चा बोलेगा कि नहीं, मेरा बच्चा इंडिपेंडेंट होगा कि नहीं, we tell them कि पर्सपेक्टिव को शिफ्ट करना पड़ेगा, करेगा या नहीं, तो ये जो डाउट है ना, या इट्स कमिंग फ्रॉम अ फियर, तो आपने इसको चेंज करना है, इस वेदर को शिफ्ट करना है, वेदर ही विल डू इट और नॉट को, हाउ ही विल डू इट. Now make this your next challenge. Now you will start seeing a different perspective. How he will learn to do things, how he will understand things, how he will start speaking. Now your perspective shift is very important, कि आप उस डायरेक्शन में सोचोगे कि मैं क्या करूं जिससे मैं इसे सिखा पाऊं, या और क्या क्या पॉसिबल है, क्या क्या हो सकता है. तो I think when your context shifts, your world shifts. And then you start seeing a whole new world that was not available to you earlier.
Wow. It's been excellent to speak to both of you. And when I was speaking to him initially, I was saying, should I introduce you as Bhushan and Rakhi, or Rakhi and Bhushan? And he said, Rakhi and Bhushan, like Radha and Krishna. You really are like Radha and Krishna.
Oh my God.
It's beautiful. Thank you so much for coming. It's an honor to speak to people like you.
Thank you.
Because there are millions of people who you are going to help. Like you said, not just people whose kids are neurodivergent, but also people whose kids are neurotypical. Even the kids that the world says are normal, though everybody's normal, even they can learn so much about parenting from you guys. So thank you so much for taking out the time. I'm sure both of you are busy, have two brilliant kids, and have work. But thank you so much for taking out the time.
Oh, we had a great time. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for inviting us.
Thanks a lot. And thanks a lot for the work that you are doing.
It's only people like you who make this work worthwhile, I'll be honest. I'm not the expert, you are the experts.
But you're the medium through which our thoughts are reaching to millions.
Yeah.
I hope so.
Thank you for listening. It takes a lot of, I think, a lot of emptiness and willingness from inside to listen to other people. And you have that patience and empathy.
When the speakers are so great, you have to listen. I'll be stupid to do more talking rather than listening.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Weird.
Thank you.